Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Refrigerant leaks can be dangerous, and continuing to use it can also cause damage to the AC. If your air conditioner is leaking because the evaporator coils are frozen, you shouldn't turn it on until the problem is fixed. Continuing to use the air conditioner while the coil is frozen can badly damage the unit.
Let's help you make your mark.
The condensed water should leak from the back of the air conditioner unit whenever the unit is running. Some of the water is used to cool heating coils in the machine, but most will drip out of the unit. If an air conditioner is not dripping, it may not properly be doing its job of dehumidifying the room.
Take our lead.
6 ways to stop aircon leaking problem. Ensure that the aircon is properly installed. Clean the dirty filters. Unblock the aircon's drainage hole. Check for icing. Replace lost refrigerants. Have it checked by a professional from time to time.
Take our lead.
If your air filter looks dirty like the one on the right, it's maybe causing your AC to leak. How can a dirty air filter could be causing your AC to leak, you ask? Well, it's because a dirty filter blocks air from your AC's evaporator coil, which makes it freeze over.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.